Good morning, Tanika.
Morning, sir.
Okay. Did you try those sums?
No, sir, I couldn't.
Did you try?
No, sir, I couldn't even take or do that works. It's the semester ending, no, sir. I have a lot of work to do.
Okay. Semester ending.
Yes, sir. So
After,
much work.
after the ending of semester, you will be 12th.
I
Technically,
have holidays.
technically you are in,
Yeah,
you are,
technically, I'm in first. Yeah.
yeah. And I also sent you one book, one ebook.
So it's not opening for me. So it says that it's unsafe to download or something.
Okay, no problem. It is not downloaded, or you may.
Oh, yes, sir, I got it. I said it's okay to answer.
Once I told you about one person, KD Joshi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it was that book, Educated J. I think the greatest book on the subject of IIT mathematics
Yes.
in India, but it has no publicity. The author of that book is mathematical genius, retired
Yes.
professor.
Yes.
Yeah, I think participating in Zoom meeting consumes much data.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yesterday I participated in my college conference, Zoom conference. Yeah, my mobile data was finished within in an hour or so. Uh,
Yes, it takes up the entire mobile data could be.
yes, for Zoom. That's why
Yes,
some students unable to attend and they dropped due to signal problem. It's not the problem.
yes,
It is the data finished.
yes, sir.
Yeah, anyhow, it needs so much data and the signals also full length
Yes,
signals.
sir.
Yeah, we completed this sum up to this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we know how to solve these sums, these type of sums.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you only told. How did you solve this sum? First, take first option.
Yes, yes, and we substitute it in the equation to get zero.
If it satisfies to 2, 3, we can go further.
Yes.
Go further means trying second
Take
point.
it with another point. Yes, sir.
If it doesn't satisfy the even the first point, surely option one is wrong.
Yes,
That means option one is eliminated.
yes,
I think you completed this.
yes, sir.
This one also completed.
Yes, sir.
Ah, you only told. Do you remember which option?
Option one, sir.
Option?
One, sir.
Very good. These are questions from actual SAT
Yes, sir.
website.
We did this also, sir.
Yeah, we have to understand that y1 and y2, instead of y1, y2, we take them as y and y, right?
Yes,
Yes. Yeah, today's questions, I select I prepared today's in-depth questions. So before going to the questions, let's finish these questions.
Yes.
Relatively, sad questions are easy questions. Some
Yes, sir.
of the sad questions are. The diameter of a circle has endpoints 2, 10 and 8, minus 8, 14. Which of the fall? Yeah, this also completed, I think.
No, we did this. Yes, sir.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
This one?
No, no, sir.
See, you can understand. In mathematics, it's very important to understand the question properly. If you understand question properly or problem properly, you're half solved, half done.
Yes.
There are especially Indian objective exams. That means IIT and the JEE main questions. There are the some of the questions are trapping questions. That means the question setter plans to make students choose wrong option.
Yes.
It is to be considered the talent of question paper setter.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. I'm telling about that book. That book was written by K.D. Joshi, who is a retired professor in Mumbai IIT.
Yes, sir.
I like that very much. That means that's the best book for me in India on the subject of intermediate level mathematics. And he was the committee of IIT question paper setter for 15 years.
Yes, sir.
For the long 15 years, he prepared IIT question paper. That means he is the head of that committee. So he shares knowledge in that book. Even if you're not an IIT aspirant, I strongly suggest you to go through that book and to read that book. We feel that that professor is um, talking to us through that book. That professor is sharing his knowledge to us. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So choose one chapter you like most and go through that book and read that book and try to understand the mind of the genius. Yeah, definitely you will also like the book. Okay.
Yes.
You will get the interest in subject mathematics, and you will know the depths of mathematics. Okay.
Yes.
Whenever you
Yes.
have time, choose any chapter. From the index,
Yes, sir.
you can choose any chapter, slowly. And the content of that book is very high level subject, high level language, and high level subject also. Yeah,
Yes.
definitely that book changed my way of thinking in mathematics.
Yes.
Right. Definitely, you also get the same experience, and you will tell me surely. Highest level book is on this 12th level and level 2 subjects.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. No, yeah, I'm asking you um, how to understand this question. This is a
Yes,
circle.
sir.
What is your comment on this circle, on this question? It is a circle. A circle has its origin at 0, 0. The
Has
point 5, 7 is on the edge of the circle.
Yes. So we can find it with distance formula.
Simple,
No?
very good. That's good. I also showed you the print copy of that book on camera once, I think.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It contains 1500 pages nearly. A 5, 7. What is asked actually?
The radius, sir.
Radius in this problem is nothing but the distance between the points 0, 0 and 5, 7. Do you know if one of the points is origin, when we find the distance, when if one of the points is origin, We need not use that lengthy formula, the square root of x minus x1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square. We just use
Yes,
this
sir.
formula to find the distance. Whenever one of the points is origin, that
Yes,
formula
sir.
is the square root of x square plus y square. That's it.
Yes, sir.
We remember it?
25 plus 49. 25 plus 14. 74, sir. Root 74.
Simple. Root 74. Option?
Yes, sir. Option 2, sir.
The endpoints of the actual SAT. The questions taken from SAT websites are seems to be like this. Look like this.
Yes,
Having
sir.
5 options and description is also like this. Like this. The
So
end.
we find the distance and pi r, sir. That's what.
The endpoints of diameter are located. Okay, what's the area of the circle? Yes, sir. Okay, okay. When you find the distance, it will be diameter, not radius.
Yes, sir. But instead of doing pi r square, we can just do pi r. No, get the answer.
No, no. That is for,
No, never mind, sir. We have to divide it and do the pi r square.
I'm telling formula for diameter. That is pi times d square by 4. Pi d square by 4 or 1/4 pi d square. It is area of circle. For this formula, you don't have to find radius. You don't have to
Yes.
make find half of the diameter, right? You know
Yes,
how
sir.
diameter is nothing but sorry. Yeah, r is nothing but half of diameter. R square means squaring on both sides.
16.
D square by 4. So pi r square means 1/4 pi d square. Got it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
If you have diameter, use this formula to find its area. If you
Yes.
have radius, use pi r square formula, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
First of all, we need to find the distance between these 2 points.
Root of 8 square plus 4 square.
8 square 64.
Yes, sir. 64 plus 16.
Very good.
80. Root 80, sir.
You don't have to find its root value, even if it is perfect square, because in the formula we have square.
Oh, yes, sir.
D is equal to root 80. That means d square is equal to
D square equals 80, sir.
80 only. So it's not necessary to find the square root of 80, even if it is perfect square, right? Of course, it's not a perfect square.
So
Even
the answer is 25.
yes,
Yeah.
the option is correct.
Option 2, sir.
No, sorry. You are right. You are right.
25.
One before is there. A is equal to 1/4 pi d square. 80.
5 times 80. Yeah.
20 times.
20.
In Indian IIT, in Indian entrance exams, there are some options having units and without units. Actually, all options must have 20 square units, or there should be,
Oh, yes, sir. Yeah.
there should be 1 point in square units. It's a very big mistake, not mentioning
Yes.
units in any calculation, especially in physics.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Been
it's a
through.
big mistake, not mentioning units in square units.
Yes.
So option 25. This one, a square on the coordinate plane has vertices at the points. Yeah, that
So
means
do
there
the
is a square.
perspective.
This is x-axis. Actually, power cut was there at the midnight last night. while I am preparing slides. I am afraid that I may not conduct classes today because slides were not prepared till that time.
Yes, sir.
Being prepared, power cut off. By chance today or tomorrow within 2 days, I will get my inverter. Here we use inverter, the word inverter, where that is there also inverter generator. I think power cut is not very rare in states. Some
Yes, sir. There are no generators, nothing.
no
Yeah.
need, no need to get any of that kind of device.
No, sir.
In summer, it is a huge problem in India, especially in Telugu states.
Yes, sir. Last summer I've been there.
Yeah, you might have experienced that. The first point is 9,0.
Yes, sir.
It is A 9,0. B 0,9. C 9,9. Zero zero. It is O. A square is formed by these 4 points. If the equation is circle, it's a very easy question. We need to find the equation of the circle, right?
Yes, sir.
We can solve this sum directly. That means easy method. Of course, in traditional method also. That means conventional method also.
Yes, sir.
Very easy question. You know how? First, we need to find the midpoint. That is center.
Yes.
A square is on the coordinate planes has and give the equation of the circle circumscribes, right? Very good. Here, it's very important to understand, to know the difference between circumscribed circle and that means circumcircle and inscribed circle. For example,
Yes.
the given square. In this question,
Yes.
it is mentioned that it is circumscribed. Circle is circumscribed. That means we draw
Yes.
circle like that. But
Yes.
if it is given as inscribed, then the circle is this is the circle, required circle, right? This is
Yes.
inscribed circle. Oh, this is inscribed circle. That is circumscribed circle, right?
Yes.
So since it is in circumscribed circle, the midpoint of endpoints of diagonal are clearly center. Tell what is its center? Yeah, you can find midpoint of 0, 0 and 9,9 and also 9,0 and 0,9. Both give same answer. Both give same answer.
0, comma.
No, midpoint.
Sorry.
Mid,
9/2, comma,
very
0, sir.
no,
0/2, 0. Yeah.
no, 9/2 comma
Sir, it's 0 plus 0/2, no, sir.
0. It is 9.
Oh, 9/2.
Yeah. Try the other
Sir,
other
while if we check A point to O point, we'll get 9/2, comma,
by 2.
0/2.
No. X1 plus X2 by 2, Y1 plus Y2 by 2. That means
Option, I mean,
not completed. 0 plus 9 by 2, comma 0 plus 9 by 2, Y1 plus Y2.
for A and 0, sir?
It is 0, 0, 0,
Yes, sir.
9 comma
Then 9 and 0.
no, it is 9 comma 9. C is 9 comma 9.
Oh, we're seeing the diagonals. Yes, sir. Got it.
Right?
Yes, sir.
I think you are trying to find this point.
Yes, sir.
Necessary for us. OA, midpoint of OA. I think you tried to find the midpoint of OA and OB. OA or OB. But we need the
Yes.
midpoint of diagonal. Then that point is just the midpoint of the side only. In this problem, it has no significance. Midpoint of
Yes.
side. Anyhow, this is the center of the required circle. Can you guess the correct answer? Center is given. We need radius, of course. We need radius.
Sir,
x minus 9 by 2 whole square plus.
So is it option D, like the last one?
Yes, you are
No.
right.
Oh, okay.
Because the distance between AB gives diameter. And I told you one thing, to find the distance between 2 points, whenever the one point is 0, 0, then its distance, that means, radius is nothing but the half of OC or
Yes,
half
sir.
of AB
Yes, sir.
or OC kaadu, OD or OD or DC or AD or BD. All are same.
Yeah.
Which you
Yes.
prefer to find radius? Half of AB or half of OC?
AB, I think so, sir.
Yeah, in OC, there is 1.00.
Yes, sir.
Then you don't have to use that formula. Just use x minus
Yes.
x whole square. Sorry, just x square plus y square. It is simple.
Yes.
Yeah. Tell x square plus y square means 81 plus 81
Yes, sir.
is equal
Root 162.
root 162. What's the value of root 162?
No.
Sorry. We don't have to find the root.
Yeah.
We need
just-
radius. Radius means half of root 162.
One.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square.
Yes, sir.
That means x minus 9 by 2 whole square plus y minus 9 by 2 whole square.
Yes, sir.
R square means 1 by 2 into root 162 whole square. 1 by 2 times root 162 whole square. What is its value? 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. Root 162 whole square is 162 only. Right?
Yes, sir.
So the answer is the right hand side is 162 by 84. Simplify it. Simplify the right hand side. Only two table goes in numerator and denominator. Half of 162 is 81.
81. And then 2.
That's why option D is correct. How did you tell in advance?
Sir, in the formula it's r square, no, sir. So
Yes.
it's gonna be 81 by 4 and it can be 81 by 2. So option B and C are wrong. And
Okay. Right.
yeah, that's
Yeah.
I got it.
That's good. That's good idea. Radius. We should use radius only here, right? That's good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. These are the questions. Yeah. The circle with center 4 comma minus 1 and touching x-axis. Last time I told you about the cases when the circle touches x-axis and y-axis. Okay. Let me write those 2 points again. Do you remember those 2 points?
Sir? When it touches the x-axis, then the radius is y-axis and sorry, y-coordinate, and when it touches the y-coordinate, it's the x-coordinate. So I can hear you, sir. So I cannot hear you. Am I audible?
Sorry. Yeah, by mistake.
Yeah.
See, it touches x-axis. That means radius is equal modulus of
Y mod
y
of y axis.
coordinate.
Y
Y
coordinate.
coordinate of the center, right? That means r is equal to
Yes.
modulus of -1. Do you know what is modulus?
Yes, sir.
Mod of -1 is 1 only, right?
Yes, sir.
R is equal to 1, center is 4 comma -1. So equation of the required circle is x minus 4 whole square
Plus y plus 1 whole square
is
equals
equal
1.
to 1. Right, very good. Expanding x square minus 8x plus 16, y square plus 2y plus 1, minus 1 is equal to 0. 1, 1 cancel. If we write them in an order, x square plus y square minus 8x plus 2
Plus 2y
plus
plus
16 is equal to
16
0.
equals 0.
Correct
Option 1.
option? See, let me tell you one thing. Touches the axis of the coordinate axis. That means it touches both axes. Both axes means both x-axis and y-axis, right?
Yes, sir.
Let us prepare a formula for it. It's very important concept. X-axis and y-axis. Circle touches both axes.
Yes.
We learned that, we observed that if x touches x-axis, then radius is equal to mod y.
Mod y.
Mod y coordinate. Y-axis, radius is equal to mod x coordinate. Here touches both axes. So radius is equal to mod of x coordinate as well as mod of y coordinate. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we can take the center as alpha comma alpha.
Yes, sir.
What is radius? With respect to x-axis, it is mod alpha. With respect to y-axis, it is mod alpha, right?
Mod alpha. Yes, sir.
So whenever a circle touches both coordinate axes, then x coordinate and y coordinate is same.
Yes, sir.
And the radius is clearly mod of any of those two coordinates because those two are same.
Yes, sir.
Tell how can we take center? Center can be taken as alpha comma alpha or beta comma beta or h comma h or x1 comma x1 something. Clearly
Yes,
both
sir.
are same. Practically we can understand that y, see, this is radius. This is radius.
Yes.
All radii in a circle are same.
Yes, sir.
That's why we can take center as alpha comma alpha and radius is equal to mod alpha, right? Now use
Yes,
the
sir.
formula x square plus x minus alpha whole square plus y minus alpha whole square is equal to radius square or alpha square, right?
Yes, sir.
X square, I am writing directly, x square plus y square minus 2 alpha x minus 2 alpha y plus alpha square is equal to alpha square, right? And
Yes, sir.
1 alpha square is cancelled and 1 alpha, we left with 1 alpha square, right? So if you want to find the equation of a circle touching both axes, then the format of that circle is x square plus y square minus 2 alpha x minus 2 alpha y plus alpha square is equal to 0. Clear? So
Yes, sir.
whenever if we see an equation like this, we can understand that that circle touches both axes and its center is alpha comma alpha
Yes.
and radius is alpha,
Yes.
right? Tell what is the center of the circle?
So is it option 1, A comma A?
Yeah, very good. Center is a comma a. And the radius is center is a comma
0.
a. And the radius r is equal to
0.
just a or mod a.
Yes.
Right? What is asked actually? The circle touches x of the coordinate x at right. This point and this point is asked. This point is alpha comma 0 and this point is 0 comma alpha. Yeah, replace alpha by a. Plug in alpha. Plug in a in the place of alpha in these points. Can you tell? This point is alpha comma 0 and this point is 0 comma alpha.
Yes, sir.
Since this equation is this, for this equation, the points at which the circle touches coordinate axis are alpha comma 0 and 0 comma alpha, right? You
Yes,
know,
sir.
here neither center nor radius is asked.
Yes, sir.
Only these points are asked, A and B. These points are asked, right? Now,
Yes, sir.
correct answer. This point is alpha comma 0 and that point is 0 comma alpha. For this equation, the required points are alpha comma 0 and 0 comma alpha. Then what are the
Oh,
yes,
is it option 3, sir?
that's good. Option 3 correct. Because the points at which the given circle touches coordinate axis are A comma 0 and 0 comma A. But it is a typographical mistake. You know,
Yes, sir. They
it
put
is
O into.
O, right? Instead of 0, they typed O.
Yes, sir.
In writing, we write same. We use same symbol. But in typing, there is difference between 0 and O.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is a new concept for us. Yeah, once I told you the difference between intersecting and intercepting. Intersect. The word intersect is different from the word intercept,
Yes.
right? Intercept. In the chapter circles, we learned what is the intercept, right?
Yes.
Intercept. Okay, right. If you take coordinate system, if a line intersects x-axis and y-axis like this, AB,
Yes.
it is O, right? What is x-intercept? OA is x-intercept. This is x-intercept. You know why?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this intersects x-axis at A, and the distance of the point from origin is called x-intercept. It is x-intercept.
Yes.
You remember we did sums also on this concept.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is called x-intercept. Keep the difference between intercept and intersect. It is y-intercept.
Yes, sir.
Right? Likewise, the question is the y-intercept of the circle.
Yes, sir.
Y-intercept of the circle. So there is a little difference between straight lines and circles. In straight lines, the y-intercept is the distance between the points at which the line intersects the y-axis and origin. The distance between the point at which the line intersects the y-axis and origin. For example,
Yes.
it is B. OB is called y-intercept. In straight line concept, y-intercept means distance between O and B, right?
Yes, sir.
And you know, if a line intersects any axis, okay, it intersects at exactly one point only. For example, if the name of the line is L, L intersects y-axis. If L intersects y-axis, of course, y-axis. It intersects exactly one point. Line intersects coordinate axis exactly at one point only. But in
Yes.
case of circles, okay, in case of circles, there are 2 points.
Yes, sir.
You know why? Since it is circle. This type of answers are given by students. When I ask them, uh, line intersects origin coordinate axis at exactly at one point only. But circle intersects y-axis, for example, at 2 points.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Why? If I ask them why, the simple answer, since it is circle. Because it is a curve. Basically, every circle is a curve. Okay.
Yes.
That means it returns. See, in y-axis, if a line goes like this, it passing through. It meets y-axis and it never returns. It go forever. That's
Yes.
why there is no other point of intersection, because
Yes.
it is not, it cannot return. The line um, cannot be returned. But in case of circles, in case of circles, if a circle, if it is a circle, it goes like this. It may be returned.
Yes.
It is circle, it returned,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
This is the concept of this question. See the difference between line and circle in the case of intercepts. In circle, in straight lines, the intercept is nothing but the distance between the point at which the line meets the y-axis and the origin. This is the intercept, y-intercept, right?
Yes.
But here the concept of y-intercept is different. That means a little change is there. The change is the distance between the points at which the circle meets the y-axis. Because circle always needs not to be passing through origin.
Yes.
So what is y-intercept? AB, distance between A and B is called the y-intercept.
Yes.
Have you found the difference between the y-intercept of a line and y-intercept of a circle? Y-intercept of line, y-intercept of a circle. Y-intercept of a line is just distance of the point of intersection from origin. But
Yes.
y-intercept of a circle is distance between those 2 points. Distance between 2 points at which the
Yes.
circle meets the y-axis, right?
Yes.
So finally, the y-intercept of the circle is nothing but the distance between A and B.
Yes.
How to find the points A and B? How to find the points A and B, right?
Yes.
The points A and B, first basically the points A and B are lying on y-axis.
Yes.
Lying on y-axis, and these are A and B are common points for y-axis and circle also. Do you know the basic point that any point on y-axis are in the form of, can you give an example for a point on y-axis? Previously we used that concept. See, the point B is on y-axis, right?
Yes.
The point B is on y-axis. What is its x coordinate? B, the point B. What is x coordinate of point B?
0.
0. So it is universal. X coordinate of any point on y-axis is 0 only.
Yes.
So x coordinate of A is 0, x coordinate of B is 0. Very clear?
Yes.
Now, what about y coordinate? Since x coordinate of any point on y-axis is 0,
Yes.
see what is 0 for A and B?
The x coordinates.
X coordinates of A and B are 0.
Yes.
Right? X coordinates of A and B are 0, right?
Yes.
Since x coordinates are 0, we can get those y coordinates by putting x is equal to 0.
Yes.
See what happens when we put x is equal to 0? The equation rewrites as, put x is equal to 0.
0 square
Very
plus
good.
y square.
Y square.
Y square plus 8y minus 5 equals 0.
By solving this equation, we can get the y coordinates of the points A and B. Solve it. Our first priority is to factorize the given equation. But in this case, the factorization is not possible.
Yes, so we need to use quadratic
Yeah,
formula.
formula. Do you remember that formula? Minus b plus or minus the
Yes,
square
sir.
root of
Minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac whole by 2a.
Very good. So y is equal minus 8 plus or minus the square root of 64 plus 20 minus 4ac. 4ac. 4ac, right?
Yes.
Minus 4ac. Minus
Yes.
4ac. A means 1, c is negative 5, right?
Yes.
So its answer is plus 20 by 2a. By 2a. A means
2 times 1, sir.
yes, very good. 2 times 1. Minus 8 plus or minus 64 plus 20, 80. 80 means you know, 80, root 80. Root 80 means root 16
Root.
times root 5. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Root 16 is nothing but 4. 4 root 5 by 2. We can take 2 common from numerator.
-4 plus or minus
Terms
2
of
root 5.
negative 4 plus or minus 2 root 5. Sorry. Is it 16? 64 plus 64 plus 20, 80 only.
80 by 16. Yes, sir. 16 root 5. Sir, you wrote 2 times
84,
-4 plus.
84. B square means 64. Yeah, it
Yes,
is not
sir.
20, it is 84.
Oh, 84, sir. Yes, sir.
Sorry. It is 20 only. The total is root 84.
Okay, root 84.
64 plus 20. How much?
64 plus 20, sir.
64 plus 20. Yes.
84.
Yeah, 84. 84 means root 4 times root 21.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That means root 4 times root 21 means 2 root 21.
4 times 21, 84. Yes, sir.
2 root 21. Take 2 common
-4
plus or minus
plus or minus root 21.
by 2. To cancel.
Yes.
-4 plus or minus root 21, right?
Yes, sir.
Plus or minus means plus for one point, minus for another point, right? If you
Yes,
take A as -4 plus root minus root 21, B would be
The outcome will be -4
plus
plus root 20.
because it is higher. Higher means bigger value, right? And what is asked? The distance between these 2 points. So one point is 0 comma minus 4 minus root 21. Another point is 0
Yes.
comma minus 4 root 21. What is the distance between? We discussed one point. Whenever we want to find the distance between 2 points, if one of the point is 0, 0, then there is a short formula. That is root of x square plus y square, right? Whenever either x coefficients or y coefficients, either x coordinates or y coordinates of any couple of points or pair of points, then the distance between them is nothing but the difference of the non-zero coordinates.
Yes.
Understand clearly, whenever either x coordinates or y coordinates of couple of pair of points are same, then the distance between them, we don't have to use root of x minus x whole square plus y minus whole square formula. Then the
Yes.
distance between those 2 points is nothing but the difference between the non-zero coordinates. What are non-zero coordinates for A and B? -4 plus root 21, right?
Yes, sir.
One non-zero coordinate is -4 plus root 21, and another non-zero coordinate is -4 minus root 21, right? Then the difference between these 2 values is the distance only.
Yes.
So the distance is nothing but first value minus second value. First value minus second value. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So it is -4 plus root 21 minus of
plus 4 plus
yeah.
4
plus 4
plus 20
plus root 21, right?
Yeah, plus root 20.
4 cancel.
-4 plus 4 gets cancelled.
2 root 21.
21.
Or if you want to use x2 minus x1 plus formula, you get the same answer.
Yes,
Root of x2 minus x1 whole square means x1 y1 0 0 x1 y1 0 and -4 minus root 21. This is
yes.
x2 y2. x2 minus x1 whole square means 0 minus 0 whole square plus
Yes.
y2 minus y1 whole square is -4 plus root 21 minus of -4 minus root 21 whole square. Square root cancel. Finally, we arrived with the same. We arrived to the same answer.
Yes.
So this is the distance between these 2 points. This is called y-intercept.
Yes, sir.
Root 21, right? Option.
Option 1, sir.
Very good. Have you understood clearly the concept of y-intercept of a circle?
Yes, sir.
The intercept made by the circle with the center and radius on y. Same question. Same question. But let me. I would like to give you the equation. We can prepare that equation like previous. Prepare equation of circle.
Where
X minus 2 whole square.
x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equals 36.
36, right? X square plus y square. I asked for the budget of digital board. I went to computer center, computer store. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
it was huge budget. Nearly 1.5 lakh plus for digital
The
board.
budget.
That
Digital
is
board?
screen, touch screen.
Oh, okay.
Digital
Yeah.
board. Minus 4x minus 6y
Yes.
plus 4 plus 9, 13.
Yes.
Is it 13? Yeah, 13 minus
4
36.
plus 9, 14. Yes, sir.
X square plus y square minus 4x
4x
minus
minus
6y
6y.
minus 6,
23.
23, right? 23. Yeah, same concept. Try. From now onwards, concept is same. To get the points, put y x is equal to 0. By putting x is equal to 0, you
Y
get the
square.
equation. Yeah.
Y square minus 6y minus 23 equals 0.
Yes, right. Can you solve? We cannot find factors. That's why we need to use formula. Use formula,
Yes.
right?
Yes, sir. Let me do it. Y square y square minus 6y minus 23 equals 0. Sir, 3 plus or minus 4 root 2.
3 plus 4 root 2 and 3 minus 4 root 2.
3 plus or minus 4 root 2.
One is 3 minus 4 root 2. Another y quantity is 3 plus 4 root 2.
3
The
plus 4.
distance between those 2 points. That means 0, 3 minus 4 root 2 and 0, 3 plus 4 root 2.
Yes.
We remember that trick. Whenever either x coordinates or y coordinates are same, that means 0. Then the difference of non-zero coordinates is nothing but its distance.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What happens when we subtract? The difference of 3 plus, that means 3 plus 4 root 2 minus of 3 minus 4 root 2.
3 gets cancelled and 4 root 2, 4 root 2, 8 root 2, sir.
Very good. Answer is
Option 3, sir.
very good. But there is an easy way to find the same solution. Here,
Oh.
see, here center of the circle is given.
Yes, sir.
This is 2, 3. Of course, we did it correctly, and our answer is 8 root 2. That is correct answer, right? And its
Yes,
radius is also given. Its radius is given as 6, right? See,
yes, sir.
this is y-intercept. This is y-intercept, which is asked, right? This is what we need. The length of this, right? For example, it is AB.
Yes.
AB is asked. We need AB, right? And radius is
Yes, sir.
6, right? Now, we can find the distance between 2, 3 and y-axis. You know,
Yes.
what are the coordinates of this point?
2, 3, sir.
Very good. Coordinates of this point are 2, 3. That means the distance of this point from y-axis. That means what is this distance? What about this distance? How many units?
2, sir.
Very good.
2 units.
X coordinate gives the distance of the point from y-axis.
Yes, sir.
Same way, this is y-axis. It is nothing but y-axis. It's a part of y-axis. AB is a part of y-axis, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why you can tell the distance of this point from y-axis. What is the distance of this point from y-axis? This distance.
2 units.
2 units only, right? See, it is a right angle triangle.
Yes, sir.
It is a right angle triangle for which hypotenuse
Yes,
is known and one side is known.
Yes, sir.
Let it be C. It is C. The center is C and it be D.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. BD is one side of the right angle triangle, right?
Yes, sir.
BD can be obtained by using side square plus side square equal hypotenuse square, right?
Yes, sir.
Tell BD square plus
DC,
plus 2
BD
square.
square plus DC square.
Yeah, right. Very good. BD square plus 2 square is equal
X
to
square.
square.
C square. 6
BD
square.
square is equal or BD square root of
36 minus 4. Root of
32.
36 minus 4.
32.
Yes, sir.
Root 32 is nothing but root 16 times root 2.
4. Yes, sir.
Root 16 is
4, sir.
4.
root 2.
BD is 4 root 2. Clearly, AB, we want AB, but AB is double of BD. AB
Yes,
is
sir.
double of
2
BD,
times.
right?
Yes, sir.
Answer?
8 root 2, sir.
That's good. Have you got
Yes, sir.
clarity?
Yes, sir.
We choose the we did the first using the first method because we have the same procedure in the previous question.
Yes, sir.
These are the multiple ways of solving this question, right? And the latter
Yes, sir.
one is easiest, right? So whenever
Yes.
center and radius is given, we approach this method, a very easy method.
Yes, sir.
Right? Simply 6 square minus the square root of 2 times of. Yeah, there is a form. That's why the formula is called 2 root r square minus d square.
Yes, sir.
Length of chord formula 2 root r square minus d square.
Yes, sir.
Here 2 root of r is 6 square, right? Minus d
Yes,
is
sir.
nothing but if you want y intercept d is 2. If you
Yes.
want x intercept, the same on x intercept, we take 3. Sometimes
Yes,
questions are like this. This is called x intercept.
Yes, sir.
For x intercept, we take 3 y coordinate. That means for y intercept, it is 2. Simply 2 root r square plus 2 square.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Previously, we did one question. Do you remember that? Center of the circle. See, very easy question. When we try to draw the description on graph,
Yes, sir.
x-axis, y-axis. See, the center of the circle passing through the origin and making intercepts 8 and negative 4. X-intercept is 8. That means it is
Yes.
8. That means
Yes.
it is 8 comma 0. Y-intercept is negative 4.
Yes.
So it is negative 4. Coordinates of this point are, can you tell its coordinates? Whose y-intercept is negative 4? That means 0 comma negative 4.
Yes.
And a circle is passing through origin and also from these 2 points. I explained one point clearly previously, that is whenever a right angle triangle is inscribed in a circle, then hypotenuse of that right angle triangle is diameter of that circle. Yeah, keep this point clearly in your mind. Whenever a right angle triangle is inscribed in a circle, then hypotenuse of triangle is equal to the diameter of circle. Clearly, It is a right angle triangle because angle between x-axis and y-axis is 90 degrees. Angle between x-axis and y-axis is 90 degrees. That's why it is a right angle triangle. So diameter of the circle is nothing but the hypotenuse of the triangle, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
what is the hypotenuse of triangle? AB. AB is
Yes, sir.
hypotenuse of triangle. So what is
Yes.
diameter of triangle? Sorry, diameter of circle AB.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is asked? Center is asked. Center is nothing but midpoint of diameter.
Diameter?
Yeah,
Yes,
right.
sir.
What is its diameter?
8,
So of course, midpoint. What is midpoint of its diameter?
8/4, comma, -2, sir.
Yeah. Write it on the screen. Try to write it on the screen.
Can write it on the screen.
Is it possible?
No, sir, for today I can't write it on screen.
Okay, okay. You are using mobile or tab?
Mobile, sir.
Okay, okay. See. -4, -2.
-2, sir.
Option?
Option 1, sir.
Good. That's good. Yeah. Try this sum. I am giving only one sum.
Yes, sir. Yes, I took the screenshot.
Not this. Of course. Yeah. Take screenshot of it
Yes, sir.
and off. This also. There is no gap. It is editing mistake.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah. Try these two sums.
I'll try, sir.
Okay. Good. Thank you, Tanika. See you tomorrow sharp at 4:30.
Yes, sir. Have a good day, sir.
Okay.